try to do it. Some e4 now. c5, knight f3, d6, maybe neither. Bishop d5, no, neither. Knight d7, castle. Harikrishna, knight f6. What now? Knight c3 or d4? Theory is d4. C take d4, queen take d4. Pendyala Harikrishna, thinking now, thinking. Okay, too much for Blitz. What to play? A6 or C take d4. Boss move is theoretical move. Bishop take d7, knight take d7, maybe Magnus Carlsen, knight c3. Magnus Carlsen is better development. Why not d5? On e5, a4, and knight will go on c4. Position Benoni style. Magnus Carlsen is better now, yes. Clear better. White bishop don't need too much in such position. Black more important. Knight c4 with a5 idea. Yes, knight e3. After Magnus will play. After knight d7 he will play bishop g5. Okay, after a5, knight d7, knight c4, bishop c1, queen e7, f4. White is better, d6 is weakness. Another idea, rook b1 and b4. So a5 of course, b3, Magnus Carlsen. b3, bishop take b3, maybe now f5, f4. This was idea of Pendyala, maybe very deep decision. Determinate knight on b6 and try to break black pawn chain. Knight d7. Otherwise, but how to develop? Bishop c8 and rook 8. a5, yes, a5. What Pendyala Harikrishna should play? He is worse. Clear worse now and worse by time. 2 minutes against 2 minutes 40 seconds. Magnus Carlsen playing like boa constrictor against these players. Yes, queen e7. What now? King h1, but queen h, so handing on e4 in some variation. So Magnus need to find how to protect. Maybe take on f5 first. And play something like queen d2. More simple idea. Need rook to come on a1 after e take f4, bishop take f4, f take e4, rook e1, need knight f6, bishop g5. Magnus Carlsen still better. By time 2 minutes 10 seconds against 1:35 now. Pendyala Harikrishna. Pendyala Harikrishna will take on e4 maybe. Should do something. Should, yes, will take on, took on e4, took on e5. What to play? Open F file, Magnus Carlsen. Knight e5, knight take e, queen take e5. Rook take, knight take. Pawn up. What Carlsen? Bishop f4, queen, maybe bishop f4. Maybe bishop, queen d4, maybe not working, queen take. And knight take, bishop f4, queen f6, rook somewhere, queen e7, rook e1. So I suggest Magnus Carlsen will play bishop f4. Bishop f4, queen e7, knight a4. Bishop f5, knight b6, knight c4. Weakness on d6. Okay, but pawn on e4, also pawn up. So don't believe Harikrishna worse now. Should play sharp. Bishop f5, knight b6. Yes, bishop f5, knight b6, rook d8. Knight need to go on c4. After Harikrishna will play knight g6. Not worse, Pendyala Harikrishna. Carlsen time running. Bishop g5, e3. Losing, yes. Queen e5, queen e5, e3 losing, queen e5. Queen e5, what else? What's idea for Harikrishna? Queen e5. If play, rook and e3. e3, e3, bishop take e7, e take d2, bishop take d2, bishop take c2. Very interesting decision, but what about simple take on e3, change queen and Carlsen better? Bishop take on c2, maybe this idea of Pendyala Harikrishna. Bishop take e7, bishop take d8, bishop take c2, force variation. What now? Choice. There is 3 moves. Knight g6, bishop take b3 and d1 queen. Knight g6, bishop take d6, knight cutting. Bishop b3, bishop take. Carlsen's idea very simple. Bishop take d6, bishop queen. Take, bishop d6, bishop c b3, bishop take c5. Need to activate king f7 most probably. King f7, yes, king f7. 23 seconds for Pendyala Harikrishna. Bishop f8, king f2, king e7, king d6, passed pawn, but king coming on this 4 on time. So now Carlsen idea need to activate knight. Bishop a2 maybe only move. g5 falls on g3, Magnus Carlsen, g3, now all pawns, so yes, knight c4, and need to okay, but how to keep? Position is losing, according all chess rule, all chess history, all chess experience, position of Pendyala Harikrishna losing, so yes, he resigned.